Hey guys, how to manifest while you're sleeping. That's what I'm going to teach you today. How to manifest while asleep. You know what I found out? That it's very critical. What you do before bed really dictates what your day routine is, what happens during your life. I think people don't get that. People don't understand how potent and powerful that is. That the things you do before you go to bed actually creates and affects your world. And that's because your unconscious mind is more powerful or more vulnerable to impressions right before sleep. Because what happens is the conscious mind goes offline, which it does because it operates in a beta state predominantly like the whole day, right? So it goes offline and then the subconscious comes online. And as you guys know, your subconscious is what will create your world. It creates everything in your world. And the subconscious works with the theta and alpha state. So I'm going to teach you right now how to manifest while you sleep. So here we go. I'm just going to break the things down you need to do, and I'm going to show you why they're important. First thing you want to do is, before you go to bed, think in your head of what you want. Make a decision in your mind. You know what? This is what I want to create. This is what I want to manifest. So you get that. Once you think what you want, keep it in your head. Now, the second component about this, you can do it two ways. You can put mental images in your head as you close your eyes. Just think about the stuff you want. Now, this is different from visualization. Remember, visualization is a process we repeat. We go through steps. We go through an end result. This is like a speed-up version of visualization. So you have visualization, which you kind of take your time. You put things. This is like an edited, fast-forward version. So basically, you close your eyes and you think quickly of what you want. This is like you fast-forward the movie or something. You go really fast. So you just go da-da-da-da real quick, right? That's the first way. The second way you can do this is you can grab your phone and you decide what you want. Then you take your phone, and many of us has vision boards. So I always suggest you put vision board in your phone. So you create an album and put everything that in the album what you want to manifest. So you can take your phone and then you open your phone and you scroll through everything you want. Now, the thing is, you do not stop and like look at all the things. Just let it scroll. Just let your minds catch it. Let your eyes see it. Scroll through it, scroll through it, scroll through it, scroll through it, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. And then put the phone down, and then you're going to go to sleep, all right? So there's three parts to this, so I just gave you two of them. So let me do a quick review so you get it. Number one, decide what you want. Number two, image in the mind, a phone or that quick fast forward. Here's number three. You can use crystals. You can use amethyst, or it's another crystal called dream quartz. Dream quartz is kind of like, it looks like prehnite. It's kind of a clear, but it has colors, kind of purplish. You can find dream quartz. These crystals will enhance your ability to dream. Okay? So with those combinations, you'll start to manifest in your sleep. Now, let me talk about the crystals, why the crystals are powerful. First of all, if you're going to get crystals, make sure you cleanse your crystals, because crystals, they take in energy. And the reason why crystals are so great, because they're really good conductors of energy. Remember, we are electric human beings. All of us are electric. Crystals contain energy. As you know, our technology relies heavily on crystals. Your phone couldn't work. Your computer couldn't work. That's why you have a liquid display, quartz, crystals, and all electronic materials. Because what crystals do, it takes the energy and it spreads it out, and it makes it very efficient and cools it down so your computer don't blow up and your phone don't overheat. The processing speed it does the same thing for your body. And so when you're sleeping, the crystal, what it does, it takes the energy and it basically dilutes it, makes it calm and clear, makes it efficient, doesn't get a lot of resistance in it, and then you're able to tap into your subconscious mind and dream. And You can even get lucid dreaming with this. And the reason why it's powerful to dream is because if you think about what you want and you put the images with the phone or in your head, and then when you go to sleep and use the crystal, more likely you're going to dream about those things that you just put forth. That is super powerful. That's different now. Remember now, lucid dreaming is the ability to be awake in the dream. That's very powerful. What I'm talking about here is super compound or super compound of what you already did. So you did the three steps, and then when you dream, it makes it that much more valid to your subconscious mind. So it's like your subconscious gets the information, and it's showing you in the dream, and it says, hey, I'm creating this. This is real. And that's how you're going to manifest while sleeping. If you do that every night, you will notice now when you get up in the daytime or whatever, now you're going to start to see some signs, Now the universe is going to start to what we call mirror back what you want. You'll start to see indications of the things that you were thinking about or dreaming. That is a clear sign that the process has begun. The manifesting is beginning now. It's beginning to take form, and you're going to manifest. And you can do this with anything. Anything. You can manifest anything this way. So basically, that's how you manifest when you're sleeping. So you want me to do a quick review so you can get it? Well, let's do it. Number 1, decide what you want. Number 2, put an image in the head, not visual. Fast forward it. Use your phone. Create a gallery, dream board in there. Scan through everything. Get your crystal. Put it under your pillow or put it around your neck if you feel comfortable wearing it. It's not going to bother you when you sleep. Put it under your pillow. Cleanse your crystal. Go to sleep. You will start to manifest. You may get the dreams about what you want. It's an indication that it's coming for you. See how it works? Now, one key point I want to mention about this is the reason why this is so powerful and so effective is because it's the last piece of information that your subconscious mind gets. That's the last piece of information. It's the first piece of information when you wake up that it starts to create. So every night, you should make sure, no matter what happens in your life, do not go to sleep thinking, being angry, or regretting, or how the day messed up, or why this didn't happen, because that's the last thing you think about. It's the first thing your mind is going to orchestrate and create for you. Your subconscious cannot think. It's highly illogical, so it picks up that information. Remember, because your conscious mind goes to sleep, you have no resistance. It easily go in there. That's why subliminals work so great to get into your mind and flush the old beliefs. This will work great to manifest. But there you go. That's how you're going to manifest in your sleep.